What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have a couple of things to talk about. We're going to talk about sneaker bots. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about that, and then we will take a look at my Union Air Jordan 4 black colorway, which I said in the previous video is going to come late, so it's here already. And after that we will probably talk about a few upcoming releases for the month of October. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. First, let's talk about bots. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about using bots in India. Honestly, I've never tried to use any, but I thought maybe we could do this together. Explore if and how it can help us. So bots are usually pretty complicated, and I'm talking about those heavy duty ones that we use on the computer. So I went out searching for a few that could probably work from our mobile phones. And I found this one called Addict. Now this one seems to be pretty advanced and only works on iOS, that is from your iPhones. Hardly takes a couple of seconds to set it up. So I inquired about it and they were kind enough to get in touch with me to share some basic info. So basically they say it works from India as well as it does from anywhere. Please note, from India and not in India. Obviously the best case scenario to use this for us is to use a proxy and ship the products within USA itself. A proxy basically mimics your location so as for a website to believe that you are accessing it from within USA itself, thus overcoming the locational restrictions. Now I'm not going to show you how each of these things work because there are a lot of detailed guides on YouTube to learn from, and also for the fact that this might not be for everyone watching this video right now. For now, I'm going to be trying this bot myself, and I will also leave the link in the description below for some of you interested viewers. As I use this more and more, I will then maybe later on talk about how it can work in detail. So in short, this bot is always sold out, so you have to click the link in description and sign up, and they will notify you as and when it releases. And then you can probably go and buy one for yourself. So it costs roughly $130, that is around 9,000 rupees if I'm not mistaken, and works great on websites like Yeezy Supply, Adidas, Bape, Undefeated and many more. They basically have a list of 80 plus websites where it works on from inside the bot while setting it up. So it won't really work on our Indian websites specifically. But anyways, most of us try to cop sneakers and all the other things worldwide and not just from within India, so it will definitely come in handy for that. The $130 is a one-time only fee, and you keep getting free updates for life. You can know more about it from the internet. Here is their Instagram, and it's pretty famous. If you do a random search for a mobile or an iOS bot, this is the first bot that is going to come up. And by the way, you also get free access to their Discord group, where they even guide you about everything like setting it up, how you can use it, and probably how you can succeed in copying something from them. Their users have been getting a lot of success recently on all the websites. So go check it out, do your research, and don't forget to sign up for a chance to buy it when it releases. It basically sells out faster than Supreme, so you have to be quick. So now that I have addressed the bot topic, let's move on with this. This is the Union Air Jordan 4 in the black colorway, like I mentioned in the previous Union unboxing video. Let's go ahead and open this up. So these are the Union Air Jordan 4s in the black colorway, and these are set to release on 30th September, which is tomorrow if you're watching this video today. Now I'm not going to go in detail about this shoe because we have already taken a look at the other colorway, which is the Guava Ice, in the previous video. So if you want to see a detailed look and know about more details of the shoe, then you can go and probably watch that video again. So today what we're going to talk about is basically the details about its release. So like most of you have already seen that these are listed on the Nike Sneakers India website, and I have already received tons of DMs asking whether it's going to be easy to cop or not. But I am going to repeat myself yet again. I am tired of telling you guys everything that is listed on that website does not necessarily have an allocation for India. Now, not having an allocation for India does not mean that you can never get it. A few lucky people have copped many a times on that platform, and possibly even the sneakers that I have told you that you don't stand a chance. But that probability is extremely low, and I do not think that we should rely on that, and which is why I say that it is not going to be possible to cop. Now, along with that, there are two more sneakers dropping with the same collaboration. Now, what I feel is that if you probably try for those instead of the Jordan 4s, you might stand a much higher chance. And talking about the resale, all of these are going to have great resale. Obviously, the other two, except for the Jordan 4, won't have as high a resale that the Jordan 4s will have. But on the contrary, you will stand a higher chance of getting them, and probably you can very easily flip them for at least double, if not more. About the pricing, you all know what the retail price is listed at, and talking about the resale, I think these are going to do really well, although they are currently going for about $600 to $800 only on StockX. But for a shoe like this, which is much more wearable, that is black in color, and also the hype has grown a lot by the time it's restocking tomorrow. So I feel we will not see a dip in these, and probably immediately after the restock worldwide, I think they're going to just go up from there. So that's that about the Union Jordan 4 black colorway. Now let's put this aside and let's talk about some upcoming sneaker releases for the month of October. Now, we don't have a lot of confirmations yet for the releases in October, but we do have a few of them, so we will get done with that. And probably as and when there are more confirmations, maybe in a week or two, I will again speak on this topic in a vlog of another video. Now, we all know that the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon is dropping, and you have all seen it on Instagram at Veg Non-Veg and Supercakes page. And I immediately started getting a lot of DMs, and I'm just going to tell you one thing. All Yeezy 350 V2s that drop are pretty much the same. You don't need to ask me every time you see a new colorway dropping, because they are in huge quantities. They do release worldwide in most cases, and you definitely cannot make anything more than 10 to 20%, and that too if you flip it immediately. Now, you might say that no, if you wait, in some cases you might make more, but the risk involved is pretty high, because a lot of people tried doing that, and probably in 2 to 3 weeks time they became kind of bricks and no one was ready to buy. So why I say it is better to flip it immediately for 350 V2s is only because the time that you have to wait to get a higher gain is definitely not worth it, and it is very risky. So it is better when the hype is high, when more people are interested to cop them immediately after release, and that is why you should flip them immediately. Now, second Yeezy that we might see in October, in fact, is pretty much confirmed by the time I was shooting this video. That is the Yeezy 380 Calcite Glow. Now, Calcite Glow is not a reflective pair, so there are extremely high chances of we getting those over here. Now, all the Yeezy 380 have been kinda sad in the previous drops. I mean, I personally like them, but people do not like it as much. But the whole reflective thing and the glow in the dark thing is very famous. So those Yeezys are going to do pretty well in India. So if you made a mistake copying the peppers and the blue oats, then do not worry. This might just help you to make your losses back. So you should definitely go in for this one. Now, before we talk about a couple of Jordans, yes, I know I said in my previous upcoming releases video about a couple of Jordans like the alternate grapes, the Oregon 5s, and also I think the biohacks. Now, all the scenario related to that is pretty much exactly where I described it to be in the previous video. They should drop, and they are going to drop. We just don't know when. Also, you must have seen that a lot of Jordans restocked in the past couple of days, not once but even twice on Supercakes, Veg Non-Veg, and Nike itself as well. So this only means that the shipping scenario is getting better, and all the older stock has started coming in, which is why you can still expect the alternate grape 5s and the Oregon 5s to come. As far as biohack goes, this month is not yet over, so it might still drop anytime. So do not ask me about these sneakers again, and if you want to know in detail what I have spoken about them, you can go and watch my previous video on the upcoming sneaker releases. Now, let's get back to some Jordans that we might see in October. First, we have the Jordan 1 Lucky Green, that is in women's sizing only. Now, I'm not very sure if this will come to India. Probably this is the first time that Jordan 1 in very high quantities is releasing in women's sizing only. So it is a first for me as well. But personally, I am not very sure if this will come to India. Either ways, if it does, then it's kind of okay. I don't really like them and I don't think they will do as well as the other Jordans. Now next, we have the Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha, which we have previously spoken because they were about to release in September or even before that, but the release got pushed and they are now confirmed to release on October 31st. Now why I usually don't talk about dates is because these are all global release dates and it's not always fixed if we will see the release on the same date. Nevertheless, these are coming yet again and I have said it many a times that they are a good cop, even though they are coming in one of the highest quantities ever. But still the demand is going to be high because it is similar to the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. So they are going to be a definite cop and you will definitely make some money on it. Now next we have the Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royal. I have also mentioned this one I think couple months back. But either they dropped in limited quantities elsewhere or they're getting a global restock. I'm not very sure, but chances are these are definitely coming to India and they're a great pair for personal. They're not going to be great for reselling, so don't bother about that. So if you missed out on the Royal Toes Jordan 1s and you cannot really afford to spend that much money on resale, then this is a very similar colorway and Jordan 3s are definitely my favorites, like I've mentioned a couple of times. So this is a definite cop for personals. Now lastly, we've seen a couple of Air Jordan 1 lows which are pretty nice. For example, the Light Smoke Grey, which is the low version of the mid that we saw a couple of weeks back. So we might see this one, and there's another one that was showcased just yesterday if I'm not mistaken, and it's called the Guava Ice. Now both of these Jordan 1 lows are pretty nice. I personally like them a lot. And chances are we are going to get them in India because we haven't really missed out on any of the Air Jordan 1 colorways in most cases. So if these come to India, they are a great pair for personals. And talking about resale, it is a good 10 to 15% flip, although it might not be as good as the other hyped Air Jordan 1 highs. But nevertheless, if you can buy one on retail and flip it the same day for 10% higher, it's not a bad deal at all. So these are all the sneakers that I have for you today, which we might see them drop in India. Now there might be a lot more, but probably it's a little too soon. And like I said, if the info comes in later, I will speak about it in another vlog. And as far as some of the international releases go, we will talk about just two because obviously they are Off-White and all of you guys want to know about that. One is the Air Rubber Dunk, which is dropping in 3 colorways, that is the green, the blue and the gold. And these are sort of region exclusives. So USA is getting the green colorway, Middle East and some other countries is getting the blue colorway, while Asia Pacific, which includes us, is getting the gold colorway. But obviously since it's a Off-White and it's a very limited sneaker, they will definitely not come to India. But either ways, if you do want to buy them on resale from outside, then I don't think they're going to do as well. So you should definitely hold on for a couple of weeks before the prices dip, and then probably you can get one for either personal use or for a decent resale profit. Now lastly, we have the Off-White Jordan 5 in the sale colorway. This is the second time around it's coming. The first one was the muslin, which was the all black colorway. Now those are one of my favorite Air Jordan 5s ever. While these, on the other hand, I did not like it as much because they changed the midsole from the same sale colorway to the black colorway. But nevertheless, these are Jordan 5s and Off-White collaboration, so they are definitely going to do great. You can probably enter some international raffles and try to cop them on retail, and if you do, they are going to be a fantastic flip. Talking about personals, I am not a fan, so I would not really go for that. But for reselling, they are fantastic and definitely you can make a lot of money on them. So that's all from me for today. These were all the sneakers we had to discuss. Do not forget to check out the Addict bot that I spoke about in the beginning of this video. And also do let me know in the comments below which of the Udian Jordan 4s do you like more, whether the Guava Ice or the Off Noir or the black colorway, however they call it, I don't know. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं बॉट्स के बारे में। बॉट्स एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी सुधार सकती है और बिगाड़ भी सकती है, इसलिए ये वीडियो बहुत ध्यान से सुनना। तू रिकॉर्ड किया था?